Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Previously I did a video with the Proraso white line for sensitive skin. I'll put a link to that, you can check it out if you want to, right up there. But today I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Kind of mix it up. I'll stick with the Proraso, but we'll do the green line, which if you like the tingles when you shave, if you like a wake-up call in the morning, if you like to feel that coolness and that tingle on your face and on your skin, this is the shaving cream setup for you. The way it goes is Proraso Preshave, eucalyptus and menthol, crema pre-barba. This is the pre-shave that I'm going to use. It will give you the tingles for sure. Follow that up by the Proraso green tube shaving cream, menthol and eucalyptus. And after that, we'll finish off with the Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Not white, but wide. Somebody asked. Wide stick. See? It's wide. Easy application. Covers a lot of area at one time. Follow that up with Proraso Menthol Aftershave Balm. Very nice, cooling, refreshing. Give you a good invisible layer of protection throughout the day on your face. And we will use the Shave Nation green shaving bowl, keeping it in the green line. Lather spot down there at the bottom. Comes in all different colors. The razor that I'll use today, we just got a bunch of new Shave Nation razors in. We'll put a link down below to all these items in the video, but there will be a link down there to all the new razors that came in. You can check them out. This one is the black and chrome. Here's a look at it. It's a bulbous type handle, and you would think it would be slippery, but the shape of it, it's long enough where it rests right in your palm, like so, and you can spin it nice and easy, which I love in a razor. As far as the bulbous shape to it, actually just drops right in your hand and feels very comfortable, just like that. You can see that it's chrome all the way up on top, almost halfway down, then a black resin handle, more chrome at the bottom, no markings on the bottom, but Shave Nation text right up there on the top of the head, laser inscribed. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 4.4 ounces or 125 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 4.1 inches or 105 millimeters. I want to show it to you next to a Merkur 34C so you can see the difference. It's quite a hefty razor. Good substantial size difference right there. It's thicker, longer, wider, all that good stuff. All right, that's a good look at it. So we are going to, again, in the green line, we're going to use a Gillette 7 o'clock green blade. That's what we'll pop in there right now. I'll unscrew the handle counterclockwise. It's a 3-piece razor. Break it down into 3 pieces right there. Let's get our Gillette 7 o'clock blade out of the paper. Here's a look at it. There you go. I'm going to drop right over the post and the 2 pins. Just like that. We install the safety bar with the combs up. Combs up always. Ridges up, combs up. And re-tighten the handle clockwise. Lock it down. Got a perfect blade reveal right there. Even on both sides. Alright, I'll set that down. Let's get started with the lather right now. I actually have some green brushes just like this Shave Nation Hot Lava brush. Beautiful looking brush right here with a 24 millimeter knot, a badger knot, and they didn't come in time for this video, unfortunately. So I'll just use the red, have to mix it up a little bit. I'll use the red one. They also come in 5 or 6 different other colors. You can check those out, link down below. Let's fill our marble cup with some hot water. There we go, here's the nice tight dense knot when it's dry. That's what it looks like. Let's drop it in there. Soaking up some bubbles. I can hear some bubbles popping there. That's what it looks like when it's filled up. Just got a little hole in the middle. Still very tight and dense. Let's let that soak for a minute. Take our Shave Nation bowl. Let's soak it under the hot water. It's ceramic, so it will retain some heat. Get that bowl nice and warm. I can feel it, it's hot. Let's remove the cap from our Proraso green tube. I'm going to squirt a little bit right down there into it. just like so. Just fill up that lather spot down there at the bottom. Now, remove the brush from the water. Give it a couple shakes. Still got a lot of moisture down inside that brush. I can feel it. We'll go right in here and start mixing. Wonderful smell. Eucalyptus, menthol. Cooling, calming, refreshing. You can see how quickly that lather comes up. A little bit sudsy at first, but then it thickens up. I'm going to have a whole handful and bowl full of lather right here. Look at that. Lots of lather right there in less than 30 seconds. Nice, thick, creamy lather. Certainly an uber lather right there. Let's set that down. I'll warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. Leave that face good and hot. Let's crack the cap on this Proraso Preshave right here. Just scoop out a little bit in the fingertips. Not too much, just like that. And let's apply that directly to the areas we're about to shave. Cooling, refreshing. This scent is a strong menthol scent. If you're opposed to menthol or have sensitive skin, this wouldn't be good for you. You'd want to go for the white line that's designed for the sensitive skin. All right, there we go. I massaged it in. I'm going to go right to the brush, apply some lather. All the way across, around the goatee, Van Dyke, circle beard, hit that middle. Lots of lather. Very refreshing, very cooling, tingling. And the movie, I think, is Down to You. They talk about the tingles. Check that movie out. It's an oldie. What happens now? We clear the runways so we can see our sideburns, so we can get straight lines. Dry the fingers. Let's temper the razor under the hot water. Someone asked, why do you temper the razor under the hot water? Well, do you want cold steel on face or do you want nice warm steel on face? Much better nice warm steel on face. We'll start right here at the side. Very hefty, very sturdy razor. We'll start right here. We'll cut this sideburn perpendicular, tilt slightly out like so. Work our way down. Oh, nice aggressive shaving razor right here. Just so I can see that line a little better. Excellent. Right down the neckline. One side's filled, flip it over. Carry on. Remove that, several days worth of beard growth very easily. Filled up both sides with stubble. Let's rinse that. Now we'll hit the left side right here. Same way, perpendicular, tilt the handle slightly out. Cut that sideburn. Actually get some audible feedback from this razor. Sounds good. Just clear off that cream so we can see a little better. Right there, beautiful. Down the neckline. Trim it out just a little bit. Very nice. Nice and smooth. Beautiful. Right there. Very good. Let me rinse this. Lots of stubble going down the drain. Now we'll carve out this middle. Excellent. Okay, let's rinse that. A quick rinse on the face. All right, the face is still damp. One pass complete. So it's a pretty aggressive razor. I'm going to say it's a little more aggressive than the DE89, R89, 34C. If you want to step it up just a little bit, and this will be in between that, maybe closer to a 316 or a Roca. That's where I'd put it, right there. So that's where you, if you want to get a little more aggressive than maybe what you have now, this would do it for you. After the first pass, if you're smooth enough, you can stop. I'm very smooth right now, but just for the fun of it, let's do one more. Just a slight bit of shaving cream right here. Not too much. Most of the beard has been removed already. Clear the runways one more time. Okay, now I'll start at the bottom and work my way up. I'll go against the grain here. Just stopping right at the beard. The beard will actually stop you. Tells you where to stop. Very good. Let's rinse that. Now go across. Again, stopping at the beard. Very good. Rinse that. Other side, backhand it. Beautiful. Okay, let's rinse that. A quick rinse. If you're super smooth and you feel good, you're done. That's it. But we are going to hit those cheeks. We're going to make those cheeks like the baby's bottom. Like glass right here. I'll show you how. My hands are wet. I can still grip it. Not a problem. I probably wouldn't want to do it with a shaving cream on my fingers, but wet, no problem holding it. Now we're going to ride the cap. Put that center portion right on the skin. Nothing happens here, but when you tilt the handle slightly upward, it'll start to catch. And you just want to skim along the skin. Right there. That's it. That gives you the baby smooth. Takes off that little microscopic amount left. Excellent. Now that's super smooth. The other side, same way. Start with the center of the cap, but roll the handle upward. Just till it catches right there. You get a little feedback too. You know it's coming off here. Nothing's happening. But when you get the angle right, you can hear it. Beautiful. Now I'm super smooth. Look at that. Like a baby's bottom. All right, final rinse. Rinse off with some cold water. And you're going to feel, woo, so cold and refreshing. Feels great. If you're groggy in the morning, that's going to wake you up. Real cold water on your face after the menthol and eucalyptus. It's awesome. Now we'll take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap, soak it under the cold water, and just glide that all around. Tighten up the skin, close your pores, seal off any nicks if you got any, little microscopic nicks, weepers, whatever you want to call them. Excellent finish to the shave right there. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Still very cold and refreshing. If you like cold water instead of hot, you can shave with cold water. I'll put a link to my video up here, shaving with cold water. You can check that out. All right, let's dry off here. Dry the beardage. The face is still slightly damp. Let's open up our Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus Balm. This is the one in the green box. It's kind of thick, a little slow coming out. About that much, right there. Right in the fingertips. Massage that in. Woo, more coolness coming right there. Nice and cool. And you can apply it to your forehead. If you break out, then you might want to hold off on that. I've been okay with it. All right, there we go. Next up, how about a little Proraso beard oil in the beard. Comes with a dropper. Just a couple drops right in there. Just like that. And I'll take my Proraso beard brush right here, the Balm beard brush, and just brush that through. This will give the beard a nice sheen, make it look a little glistening, make it look healthy, so it's not dry and brittle. Condition it. Good stuff. Okay, here's a final look at the razor, the Shave Nation Black and Chrome double-edged safety razor. Excellent shave provided. As you could see, I had several days worth of beard growth. In 3 quick passes, I went to baby smooth, and you might be able to stop after your first or second pass with this razor. Very nice shaving razor. Feels great in the hand, easy to grip. Even with wet fingers, no problem gripping this razor. I don't want to be biased, but I just treat it like any other razor review. Okay, that's that. And as far as the Tingles, we got them, definitely. The Proraso Preshave, followed by the Proraso in the green tube shaving cream. And then the wide stick Alum block, finishing things up, sealing everything. And then the Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus Aftershave Balm. Excellent shave, all lathered up in the green Shave Nation shaving bowl. Unfortunately, it wasn't the green brush, it was the hot lava brush, which performed excellently, no problem. Lots of lather from the shaving cream, as you saw. If you want the green brush, it's going to be available by the time this video comes out. Most likely tomorrow, it'll be down there. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click below the video where it says show more, and you can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Do me a favor before I head out, please smash that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell up there, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.